2 people lost their lives and 2 others were left seriously injured in the early hours of Monday after a Botswana-registered fuel tanker and Honda Fit collided head-on along Bulawayo Plumtree Road. Sarapita tsaona aiwa yashamisa vanhu vavhunduka, vanhu varwadziwa. Aiwa netsaona maitikiro ayaitika kuonekwa kunzi 2 panguva inoi vorasikirwa neupenyu in this head-on collision along Bulawayo Plumtree Road. Remember, subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. The fatal crash occurred at about 2 a.m. on a bridge near the mnangagwa turn-off. Bulawayo Fire Officer Mr. Langano Moyo confirmed the incident, stating that the Honda Fit carrying 3 occupants crossed into the path of the oncoming tanker. And quotes, the Honda Fit crew was trapped inside the wreckage and had to be extricated by our team. 2 died on the spot, while 1 suffered serious injuries and was rushed to Mpilo Central Hospital, said Mr. Moyo. The tanker, which had just passed a police roadblock, veered off the road after the collision. The driver and his passenger jumped from the moving vehicle moments before it caught fire. Both were taken to Mpilo Hospital for treatment. Mr. Moyo revealed that the truck had been transporting about 400 liters of diesel, most of which spilled into the road. The Bulawayo City Council Fire Department managed to contain 95% of the spillage by 9 a.m. using fire chem from liquid concentrate. The operation involved 2 fire brigade vehicles, 1 police officer, 12 fire department officials, and an environmental management agency EMA representatives, he said. Domashwa rubuda panguva ine pamusoro petsaona awa yakashamisa vanhu mapictures akatendwa pasocial media. Tudzi mafungiro enyu matudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, hit the bell icon.